Hi, I'm JD Gunnell, USU Extension gardening expert. Here are March's gardening tips. As you are looking forward to the growing season, consider taking a soil sample to determine fertilizer needs. Visit the USU Analytical Lab website or soiltesting.usu.edu for instructions on how to submit a soil sample. As soon as the garden soil is workable, you can plant seeds of cool season vegetables such as peas, spinach, lettuce, and radishes. Learn about planting and growing more than 65 different fruit, vegetable, and herb varieties at garden.usu.edu. If you can find them at the nurseries and garden centers, now's the perfect time to plant bare-root fruit trees and small shrubs. Make sure that you keep the exposed roots moist until they are planted. Apply horticulture oils to fruit trees once the buds have begun to swell and barely start to open. The oil helps control overwintering insect pests, but be careful not to apply the oils if the temperature is going to be below 40 degrees. And finally, plan on attending a USU Extension sponsored pruning demonstration near you to learn how to properly prune trees, shrubs, berries, and fruit trees. Find more gardening tips like these at garden.usu.edu.